We have this really beautiful mirror. It is frameless. It has a unique squiggle design. It is perfect for a bedroom, studio. It's nice long length, so you can get your whole body in there if you have it mounted on the wall and you step back far enough. It is frameless, so there's not like a wood or metal frame. This is what the back looks like. And then you can see it has these cushions on the bottom, so that way it's not going to wobble up against the wall, so it's evenly proportioned. And it's a really cool design. Frameless, pretty big in size, would be great for a bedroom, bathroom, studio, anywhere you might need a mirror. Easy to mount, comes with all the hardware already on the mirror itself. If you stand back far enough, you can definitely get full body. It's not just a waist up mirror, which is so nice because when you're getting dressed for the day and you want to be able to see your whole outfit, you can with this mirror. All right, so we have the mirror mounted here on my backdrop. As you can see, it does come with this film, so it protects it nicely when it is arriving to you. I love the shape. You can kind of see my camera in the background, but it is a nice mirror. It does not distort the image. It's a clear image of your face, so there's no distortion, there's no fog, and it looks really cool, artistic, but very useful. Easy to mount, easy to install, and an awesome feature to have in your room, game room, bathroom, wherever you need a mirror.